Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we are waiting to do a daily dash, but it still has not let me log in yet. Anyways, so, while we wait, kind of want to talk about some crazy stuff that I think is going to affect everyone, but most importantly, not most importantly, but it just basically caused me to go broke, basically. Now, over the past 6 months, I've saved up quite a bit of money to drop into my footwear company, you know. We design the skate shoes. We have been waiting for a very long time, and they're finally done, and we just got the shipping bill, which I know a lot of people say, shouldn't you have expected the shipping bill before? They don't give you an exact shipping bill until, like, because shipping goes up and down so much, and now it's very high. It's very, very high. So I thought that I was going to be putting in 10 grand into the shoes. We already have some saved up. The shoes are around like 32 to make or so. 32,000, by the way. And I thought I was going to have to put about 10 in or so. Just found out yesterday that shipping from our manufacturer in China has gone from about $1,700 for about a container. I think we do half a container when we ship our shoes. So $1,700 is what it used to cost us, and that's what we paid last year. This year cost us $7,550. $7,550 to ship half the storage container full of shoes. Maybe it's more, I don't know, give or take a little bit, but it's basically cost 5 times what it used to cost. Now, I'm telling you guys this because inflation is coming bad. It's gonna hit really hard. It went from costing us about $20-ish dollars to make a pair of shoes to about $32 to make a pair of shoes ish. With tariffs and everything, tariffs are also still pretty high. They used to be 10%, now they're 20%. It is costing quite a bit of money to make shoes. And now I'm telling you guys this so you can start preparing. Now is the time to start thinking smart about your money. I am glad that I am not drinking anymore, because that is a gigantic bill that I am definitely saving money on now. But now is the time that you guys need to really get your stuff together. And it's about to hit. Like, inflation's about to hit really hard in this next year. If it costs us, what is that, 50% more than it used to cost, shoes and stuff is probably going to cost, I don't know, the average shoe is going to go from $100 to probably like $130-ish or so. I would estimate that's probably what shoes are going to cost you guys. And it's not just shoes, it's gonna be everything. Literally everything that is made in China, which is everything, just about everything. And it's the same for all of the places, you know, it's not just China, it's just about every single manufacturer. So now is the time to really crack down, guys. I'm cracking down. I've been hammering away for the last like 2 days, because I'm like, this is why I'm doing Doordash today on Sunday, because I'm like, dude, I gotta make some money. I did not plan on dumping all of my money. Like, it went from a $10,000 bill that I thought I was gonna have to pay to about $18,000. Didn't plan on that extra $8,000, you know? Anyway, so today I kind of want to talk about, like, it's not time to freak out. You should not freak out. I slightly freaked out a little bit yesterday. I was probably pacing around my room for about an hour. Then I had to get out of the house. I was like, I gotta start doing Doordash again, that's for sure. I gotta really crack down on, I made a post on our page to basically say, like, hey guys, please help. Buy some shoes, and I don't know, if you guys want to help support my footwear company, please at least just, I mean, you could just share a post or something, you know, maybe share our website if you want to. If you don't want to, that's totally fine. But inflation's about to hit. It's going to be pretty bad. It's going to affect everyone. Now is the time to get your finances straight. In my opinion, am I blurry? I am blurry. There we go. Maybe. I don't know. Now is the time to really crack down on your finances, get them sorted out. Try to save up some money. I would highly suggest to everyone to start saving up some money. It's going to be a rough year in 2022 for finances. In my opinion, I think so. So, find some sources of income. Don't panic. There's no reason to panic. I panicked, and then I got a gig. Like, I put it into the universe. I was literally like, God, please give me a gig or something, because we didn't have anything booked for the next 4 months, and then I got one, which is in about 10 days in Las Vegas, and I was like, that just saved my life, you know? So I basically put it out into the universe. I was like, please give me some kind of money or something good happen. And within about 3 hours, we had booked a gig. So it was almost like God slapped me in the face and it was like, all right, here you go. Here's, don't get too comfortable. I've always thought about, like, that's like one of my biggest things that crosses my mind all the time is do not get too comfortable. I know I'm a little scatterbrained today. I got a lot on my mind, but do not get too comfortable. The moment you start to feel comfortable is the moment where things start to fall apart. And as long as you're constantly pushing forward and making yourself a better person and constantly chipping away, like, especially as like a business owner, everything that I put out, I'm like, as I'm working on it, I'm like, is this going to make us any money? Is this worth my time? Is it a waste of time? I don't know. So just constantly chipping away and making yourself a better person is probably the best thing to do. I highly would suggest to everyone, I think the best way to start your day is to work out. I've been going to the cryotherapy chamber every single day lately. I got that cryo membership again at the UFC gym, and freezing your body every single day, man, it makes you feel so relaxed. It also makes you feel like a box of Jello though. But anyways, today was just kind of a random video. It's been quite a while, honestly. We have not been able to log in pretty much all day, which is crazy. I have not seen this in a very long time. Doordash has not let me logged in just about all day. And I mean, I could like sit here and like do the refresh thing, but there's no shifts for another hour, not till at least 5:30, and it is 3:40. So it is what it is. But I'm gonna wrap up today's video. Guess we're not getting a daily dash done. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. You guys think inflation's gonna be crazy? Do you guys believe in inflation? I like that the government said at first, oh, there's no rapid inflation, and then they started saying like, oh, if inflation's good. What? Anyways, all right. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed my videos, please consider subscribing to the channel and also smash that like button. If you guys have any ideas on videos that you want me to make in the future, comment them down below. Let me know if you guys have any questions, or if you guys want to send me some emails. I got a few emails I got to respond to and make some videos on. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Have a safe Sunday and drive safe. Make that money. Peace.